Alright, in this video we're going to go over how to use system of linear equations to solve for various answers in word problems. So our first equation today says a cow and chicken farmer has a total of 70 animals. His animals have a total of 234 legs. Write and solve a system of equations to determine how many cows the farmer has. So we see right away here that the number of cows and the number of the chickens is what we're trying to find. So that's what we're going to use for our variables of x and y. We're going to set x equal to the number of cows, and we're going to set y equal to the number of chickens. Now that we've determined what our variables are representing, we need to write an equation that tells us we have a total of 70 animals. So that means we're going to have the total number of cows plus the total number of chickens has to equal 70. We'll also write another equation that tells us that the total number of legs is equal to 234. Well, I know that cows each have 4 legs, so each cow will have 4 legs, and then we'll add that to each chicken having 2 legs. We're going to come up with an equation of 4x plus 2y equals a total number of legs, which was 234. Once we've written our two equations, it's now time to solve. So I'm going to use substitution. I'm going to subtract the y to the other side, so I have a variable of x by itself. When I do that, I come up with the equation of x equals 70 minus y. Now that I know that x is equal to 70 minus y, I can substitute that into our second equation where the x is at. From here, we can take the 4 and distribute it into the parentheses. And next we will combine our like terms of a negative 4y and a positive 2y to make a total of negative 2y. From here we'll subtract the 280 to the opposite side, so we're left with negative 2y is going to be equal to a negative 46. From there we divide both sides by negative 2 and we're left with y is equal to 23. Unfortunately, the y equaling 23 is representing the number of chickens, and the question we were trying to answer was how many cows does the farmer have? So we can take that 23 and substitute it back into that first equation where the y is equal to 23. That means we'd have to take 70 minus 23, and that would end up with an answer of x equaling 47. So for this problem, we're going to have two answers here. Y is equal to 23 and x is equal to 47. As a reminder, we were trying to figure out how many cows, so we need to look at the x value. So our final answer then is going to be x is equal to 47, meaning there were 47 cows. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you want to see some more examples of system of linear equation word problems, you can check out my channel, and I've got 2 more videos posted there. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below.